Very good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss one model paper for class 10. You are expecting your exams to come in the month of July. So, I will solve one paper which is slightly in the difficult level. Okay, why? Because so much of days was there. Maybe exam tough barbodu. Do you get it? From that point, we will slightly solve one standard paper. Is it okay? Easy questions and all you already know. If you know the textbook, whatever notes we have solved, if you do that, everything will be covered. So, I have selected one paper and I will solve the whole complete paper. I will solve. All the sections will solve now. So, you know basically there are different sections in the model paper, right? So, we will first discuss the section A. All right, now first discuss the section A. Section A will have fill in the blank question, students. Fill in the blank in the sense multiple choice questions are there. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So we'll discuss this section now. Write down the first question. Write down the first question, all of you. Write down the first question, all of you. ABCD, the first question, okay? Write down ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle whose vertices are. ABCD is a rectangle whose vertices are B4, 0, whose vertices are B4, 0, C4, 3 and D0, 3 and D0, 3. Only 3 vertices are given in the problem. Then the length of one of its diagonal, the length of one of its diagonal is dash. The length of one of its diagonal is dash. Is dash units. Is the question asked. Is dash units. The first option is 4. The second option is 5. And the third option is 6. The fourth option is none of these. Okay, the fourth option is none of these. This is the first question what is there in the section A. So we have to solve this, students, now. ABCD is a rectangle whose vertices are. So how do we solve this problem? We will see like this. We will see like this. This is nothing but A, this is nothing but B, this is C and this is D. ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, the length of one of its diagonal. You can see that the point B is given in the problem as 4, 0. The point C is given in the problem as 4, 3 and the point D is given in the problem as 0, 3. So this is the diagonal, correct or not? This is the diagonal. So here, because you have to simply mark an answer or you have to write which answer is it, you can directly solve this problem. Using the distance formula, we can say using the distance formula, BD is equal to, tell me, this I'll write it as x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Is it okay? ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ solve ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, direct answer ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So you can solve it to the side of the answer paper. This is 90 degree, right? 90 degree. Okay. So this I'll call it as x1 y1, students. This I'll call it as x1 y1. This I'll call it as x2 y2. So tell me, what is this answer that we get? x2 minus x1 the whole square. That is nothing but square root of 0 minus 4 the whole square plus tell me y2 minus y1 the whole square, which is nothing but 3 minus 0 the whole square. So can you tell me what is square root of minus 4 the whole square is 16 plus 9, that is equal to root under 25. That is equal to how much units is the answer to the question, students? Answer to the question is 5 units. So what is the answer that we mark? That we mark the answer as option B. Adre exam alli barivaga hige B anta baribeku. Aita? The answer to the first question is what is it? Option number B is the answer to the question. I hope everybody is clear, really. Ellarigu gottagtadalla? Write down, all of you. One full paper I will discuss, students. One full paper, all right? Idi paper and discuss ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, so that you will also find it easy. Maths ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. Maths is very easy only. So just that correct methods ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ easy ಆಗ್ತದೆ. All right? Next question. Write the second question, students, all of you. Write the second question. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Second question. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then tan squared theta plus cot squared theta is equal to what? Then tan squared theta plus cot squared theta is equal to dash. Okay, is equal to dash. The first option is 4, 6, 2 and 1 is given here. 4, 6, 2 and 1. 4, 6, 2 and 1 is given here in the problem. Okay, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then what is the value of tan squared theta plus cot squared theta is the question asked. Is it okay? How to solve this problem now? See now all of you see here. Question is asked. Okay, see, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to eಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Correct or not? So I can write tan theta plus 1 divided by tan theta, that is equal to what is it? 2. Either the denominator is 1. Allah. So what is the LCM that we get here now? Tan theta. Correct or not? Tan squared theta plus 1, that is equal to 2. So I can write tan squared theta plus 1, that is equal to 2 times tan theta. Is it correct? So we can write this as tan squared theta minus of 2 tan theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. Yes or no? So is it not of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square? Correct agi nodi. A square tan theta the whole square baritane minus of 2 into a is nothing but tan theta, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus what is it? 1 square, that is equal to 0. So this is of the form, students, this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct or not? Which is nothing but a minus b the whole square. So I can write here, this is nothing but tan theta minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. So I can write tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So tell me, what is the value of tan theta is equal to? Tan theta is equal to square root of how much? Tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Tan theta is equal to how much? 1. So tell me, what is the value of cot theta? Cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta. What is the answer that we get? 1 divided by 1, that is also equal to 1. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the value of tan squared theta plus cot squared theta. What is tan squared theta plus cot squared theta? 1 square plus 1 square. So what is the answer that we get for 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 2 is the answer to the question, which you mark the answer as option number, what is it? C is the answer to the question. Are you following, all of you? What will be the answer that we get? We get the answer as option number C. This question was important actually. Either tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then what is the value of tan squared theta plus cot squared theta? The answer is option number C. I suppose everybody can understand this. Yes. Bardagadiದ್ರೆ video pause ಮಾಡಿ students and then write again. All right. Yes. Now, correct 3 hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು paper discuss ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So next, the perimeter of a triangle AOB. Third question. The perimeter of a triangle AOB. The perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle AOB with the vertices. With the vertices. The perimeter of a triangle AOB with the vertices A0, 4, A0, 4, O0, 0, O0, 0 and B3, 0 and B3, 0 is a dash. Is a dash. Is the question asked. Is a dash units. Is it okay? First option is 5. Second option is first option is 5. Second option is 12. Then the third option is 11. And the fourth option is 7 plus root 5. Is it okay? 7 plus root 5. Now, how to solve this problem? How to solve this problem? The perimeter of a triangle AOB. So, first we will call this vertex as A, will call this vertex as O, will call this vertex as B. So, this O is given in the problem as 0, 0. Then this point is given in the problem as 0, 4 and this point is given in the problem as 3, 0. First of all, you tell me what is the meaning of the word perimeter, students. Perimeter is nothing but the measurement of the outermost sides. So perimeter can be written as AO plus OB plus what is it? AO plus OB plus AB. Is it correct? Perimeter. Now can you tell me how to find out AO? AO is found out using the distance formula. Just to keep the distance formula in the mind. Distance formula, ಆಗ first question ಗೆ sum ಮಾಡಿದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 plus 16, that is equal to how much is it? 4. Similarly, tell me what is the value of OB? OB will be equal to how much? OB, that is equal to, yes, take the first point. See here we did first point minus second point. Same way you do 0 minus 3 the whole square plus, so what is it? 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square, that is equal to root of 9 plus 0, that is equal to how much is the answer? 3. Similarly, you calculate what is the value of AB. Is it okay? You calculate the value of AB. What will be the answer that we get is equal to 0 minus 3 the whole square, 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus 0 the whole square. What is the answer that we get is equal to 3 square 9, 4 square 16, which is equal to root over 25. What is root over 25 is equal to 5 units, students. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the perimeter. Hagadre that perimeter P is equal to AO. AO is 4 plus 3 plus 5. What is the answer that we get is equal to 12 units. 12 units which corresponds to the option number what? 12 units which corresponds to the option number B is the answer to the question. See, so easily you can answer all these questions. Nothing difficult. In fact, if nodidre, ee model paper alli first question was also with distance formula, third question is also with the distance formula. So it's a very easy thing to solve. Is it okay? All right, no? Next question, moving on. All of you write down correctly, students. All of you write down. Next question. If 6 cot x is equal to 12. Next question is given in the problem like this. If 6 cot x is equal to 12. If 6 cot x is equal to 12. If 6 cot x is equal to 12. Question is asking if 6 cot x is equal to 12. Then the value of sin x minus cos x. Then sin x minus cos x, then sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x, that is equal to dash is the question asked. This question is an easy question. Options are 1 by 7, 3 by 7. Options are 1 by 7, second option is 3 by 7, the third option is 2 by 7, and the fourth option is 0. Is it okay? Fourth option is 0. Now, if you carefully see, students, what is given in the problem? 6 times cot x is equal to 12. So, tell me, what is the value of cot of x is equal to 12 divided by 6? So, can you tell me what is the value of tan? Okay, cot x is equal to 12 divided by 6 is how much? 2. Is it correct or not? So, tan x will be equal to what is it? Tan x will be equal to, what do you get? Tan x will be equal to 1 divided by cot of x. Tan x will be equal to 1 divided by cot of x. So, this is nothing but 1 divided by 2. Is it correct or not? 1 divided by 2. So, what do we do now? If we have to take a right angle triangle first, we'll call this angle as x. Correct? We'll call this angle as x. You know that tan is nothing but what is it? Tan is nothing but opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Opposite side of this particular triangle, if I call this as ABC, the opposite side will be equal to what is it? Opposite side measurement will be 1 and the adjacent side measurement will be 2 now, correct or not? Now we have to calculate what is the value of the hypotenuse. So can you tell me how to calculate? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Is it correct or not? So tell me what is the answer that we get to 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to AC square. So can you tell me what is the value of AC is equal to root over 5. So idu eshtu agtade iga root over 5 agtade, correct alla? So can you tell me what is sin x is equal to? Sin x is nothing but opposite side over hypotenuse. So opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is root 5. And tell me what is the value of cos x is equal to? Cos x will be 2 divided by root 5. Is it right? 2 divided by root 5. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the value of sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x. See here students, what is sin x is equal to 1 divided by root 5 minus of what is it? 2 divided by root 5 divided by 1 divided by root 5 plus what is it? 2 divided by root 5. So what is the answer that we get is equal to? Tan x. What is given in the problem here? 6 cot. No, it's not 6 cot x, students. Here it's a mistake. It is 16 cot x is equal to 12. Aitha? 16 cot x is equal to 12. So can you tell me what is this? If I write this 12 divided by 16, 12 divided by 16 will be equal to 3 divided by 4. So tan x will be the reciprocal of cot x. So this will be 4 divided by 3. This would be 4 and this would be 3, students. So what is this part that we get now? 4 square plus 3 square, which is nothing but 16 plus 9. That is equal to root over 25. That is equal to 5. So this part will become equal to how much? 5. So sin x will be equal to 3 by 5. Sin x will be equal to 4 by 5. And cos x will be equal to how much, students? 3 divided by 5. Is it okay? 3 divided by 5. Now can you tell me what is this answer that we get now? What is this answer that we get? So sin x, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬರ್ದದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. sin x will be equal to what is it? 4 by 5 minus of cos x will be equal to how much? 3 by 5 whole divided by 4 by 5 divided by or 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So can you tell me what is this answer that we get is equal to 1 divided by 5 divided by 7 by 5. What will be the answer that we get is equal to, students? 1 by 5 into 5 by 7. What is this answer that we get? 1 by 5 into 5 by 7. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. What is the answer that we mark? We mark the answer as option number A to the question. Is it okay? We mark the answer as option number A to the question. Alright, we mark the answer as A to the question. Next question. You see this, then correction ಮಾಡಿ 16 cot x ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದು 6 cot x ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So I hope all of you can understand this. Simple things of trigonometry ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, because ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You have to just mark the answer ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You have to just write the answer, which is the answer ಅಂತ. Next one, HCF of, given in the problem, HCF of 26,169. HCF of, write the next question, students. HCF of 26,169, that is equal to 13. HCF of 26,169 is equal to 13. Then LCM of 26,169 is equal to dash. The first option is 26, 52, 338, 13. 26, second option is 52, third option is 338, and the fourth option is 13. Is it okay? Fourth option is 13. Now all of you know, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು numbers, students. These are the two numbers. What are the two numbers? A and B I'll take. A is equal to 26 and B is equal to 169. HCF ಅನ್ನು H ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. LCM ಅನ್ನು L ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? HCF ಅನ್ನು H ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ, LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now we know a simple relation. The product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and what? LCM. Correct or not? Product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So 26 into 169, that is equal to 13 into what is it? L. So 26 into 169 divided by 13, that is equal to what is it? L. 13 ones are 13 twos are. So 2 nines are 18, 2 six are 12, 13, and 2 ones are 2, 3. 338 will be equal to the LCM. So what is the answer that we mark as equal to? Option number C is the answer to the question, students. Correct or not? We mark the answer as option number C. This is the answer to the question. Okay. Next question. Next question. A pair of lines. A pair of lines. A pair of lines. A pair of lines. X is equal to A and Y is equal to B. A pair of lines X is equal to A and Y is equal to B represents the lines which are dash. Graphically represents the lines. Graphically represents lines. Graphically represents lines which are dash. Represents dash, I'll write. So option number A is option number A, parallel lines. Option number A, parallel lines. Option number B, coincident lines. Coincident lines. Option number C, intersecting at B comma A. Intersecting at B comma A. Intersecting at B comma A. Or option number D, intersecting at A comma B. Intersecting at A comma B. Intersecting at A comma B. Now let us see, students, how to solve this problem. Here the pair of lines X is equal to A and Y is equal to B anta kottidaralla. See, graphically represents. Graphically andre just one simple graph ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡುವ. This is nothing but the y axis. This is nothing but the origin. Origin is 0, 0. Can you tell me X is equal to A andre ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ? ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ A ಆದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ A ಆದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ A ಆದ್ರೆ, any point on the x axis is A, 0. So this line will represent X is equal to A. ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದದಾದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. Y is equal to B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ y axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ, which is B. Correct or not? This is B. This is nothing but y is equal to B. This is y is equal to B. So this coordinate of the point will be equal to 0, B. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ students, these two lines will intersect at what point? Will intersect at what point? These 2 points will intersect at what is it? A, B. So these are the lines will represent intersecting lines. At what point? The two lines will intersect at what point, students? A, B. This is the answer to the question. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ? X is equal to A is a line which is passing through the point A, 0. This is 0, B ಇಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? It will touch at the point A, B. ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟಲ್ಲ coordinate geometry ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Starting from the origin, I will travel a distance of A along the x axis and I will travel a distance of B along the y axis. Only then I will come and reach the point called A, B. So they will intersect at A, B. X value is A, Y value is B. B, A ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. So what is the answer that we mark? We mark the answer as option number what? We mark the answer as option number D, students. D is the answer to the question. Next one. Next one. If the points, moving on to the next question, if the points moving on to the next question, if the points, seventh question, okay? If the points A1, 2, if the points A1, 2, if the points A1, 2, O0, 0, and CA, B are collinear, then which of the following is correct? Okay, then A value is equal to B, A is equal to 2B, A is equal to 2B, 2A is equal to B, A is equal to minus B. Is it okay? A is equal to minus B. Which of the following is correct is the question. Now tell me, if the points are collinear, students, what will happen to area of the triangle AOB? Collinear means points will lie on the same straight line, correct or not? Area of the triangle AOB will be equal to 0. So tell me, what is the formula for area of the triangle AOB? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 should become equal to what? Should become equal to what? 0. Correct or not? Should become equal to 0. So this point will be x1 y1 students, this point will be x2 y2 students, and this point will be x3 y3. Is it correct or not? This point will be x3 y3. So tell me, what is the answer that we get? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into 0 into anything is 0 only, but still I'll write here b minus what is it? y3 minus y1 plus x3, x3 is a into 2 minus 0, that is equal to what is it students? 0. Correct or not? So this will be half into minus b, 0 into anything is 0 plus 2a, that is equal to what is it students? 0. Now tell me what happens when this half goes to the other side of the equal to sign? Will become 0. Hege adu? It will be now minus b plus 2a, that is equal to 0 into 2 divided by 1. Yes or no? That is equal to 0. So minus b plus 2a, that is equal to 0. So what is the answer for the question now? 2a is equal to b. 2a is equal to b is the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number what? C is the answer to the question. Do you follow? Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Next question, 8th one. Question number 8, students. Question number 8 in the first section, okay? Question number 8. If cot theta is equal to section A, same section, section A. Question number 8. If cot theta is equal to 1 divided by root 3, if cot theta is equal to 1 divided by root 3, then the value of 1 minus cos squared theta, then the value of 1 minus cos squared theta divided by 1 minus sin squared theta, that is equal to dash, is the question asked. See, so many questions from trigonometry. 1 minus cos squared theta divided by 2 minus sin squared theta, okay? 2 minus sin squared theta is equal to dash, is the question asked. 2 minus sin squared theta is equal to dash. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. First option is 1 by 5. Second option is 2 by 5. Third option is 3 by 5. And the fourth option is 5 by 3. Okay, the fourth option is 5 by 3. The fourth option is 5 by 3. Now we'll see here, all of you. Just see, table gotundala, table. So cot theta is given in the problem as 1 divided by root 3. Hagadre, can you tell me what is the value of tan theta is equal to the reciprocal of cot theta? Reciprocal andre ulta madbe cot theta vannu root 3 agtade. Correct alla? See, now we know one trigonometric table, students. We know one trigonometric table. Theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Correct or not? 60 degree and 90 degree. So can you tell me what is this theta? Sin theta. Sin theta 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and what is it? 1. Idella gottirbeku tables alla. Similarly, cos theta will be equal to what? 0, root 3 by 2, then what is it? 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, and what is it? 0. And can you tell me what is the value of tan theta? 0. We came here 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, and not defined. Iga nange bekalli tan theta is root 3. Tan theta root 3 agabekadre theta value ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು students? 60 degree. Correct alla? So tan theta that is equal to how much? Tan of 60 degree. That is root 3, which implies what is the value of theta is equal to 60 degree. Now the question is asking you to calculate. The question is asking you to calculate 1 minus cos squared theta. Cos squared 60. Cos squared 60 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1 divided by 2 whole square divided by 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 whole square. Correct alla? Theta 60 ಆಗುವಾಗ sin 60 ಎಷ್ಟು? root 3 by 2. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು sin squared theta root 3 by 2 the whole square. 1 minus 1 divided by 4 divided by 2 minus 3 divided by 4. So can you tell me what is the answer that we get? 4 minus 1 divided by 4 divided by 8 minus 3 divided by 4. Tell me 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So what is the answer that we get is equal to 3 divided by how much? 3 divided by 5 is the answer to the question. So what is the option that we mark? We mark the answer as option number C. See, knowing this table was important. Table in the answer madbodu easily. All right, now we can answer easily from the table. You should know these problems. Correct agi gottirbeku ee problems ella. That becomes very easy to solve the problems. Okay, tables ella gottidre correct agi easily madabodu problem. Aita? Next one. Next one. If alpha and beta are the zeros of, if alpha and beta are the zeros of, if alpha and beta are the zeros of, if, question I'll write, if alpha and beta are the zeros of, are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to, are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square plus 8x minus 8, 2x square plus 8x minus 8, then what happens is the question. Then what happens is the question. Okay, first option, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. Okay, the second option is alpha plus beta is greater than alpha beta. The third option is alpha plus beta is less than alpha beta, and the fourth option is alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Is it okay, students? Plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now we'll see how to solve these problems. What is given in the problem here? It is given that alpha and beta are the zeros of p of x. P of x is equal to 2x square plus 8x minus 8. What we'll do? We will compare with p of x is equal to, we'll compare this with the standard quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. This implies, tell me what is the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to 8, c is equal to minus 8. Can you tell me what is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. What is the answer that we get? Minus 8 by 2, that is equal to minus 4. Tell me what is the value of alpha into beta? That is equal to c divided by a. That is equal to minus 8 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 4. Is it right? That is equal to minus 4. Now can you tell me what are the two conditions which are matching now? If you see alpha plus beta is minus 4, alpha into beta is also minus 4. So what is the option that is matching now? Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha into beta is the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number A. Is it okay, students? Yes. Next question, which is the last question of section A. Important question. The mean and mode of a distribution are. 10th question. The mean and mode of a distribution are. The mean and mode of a distribution are. The mean and mode of a distribution are. 10 ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ questions. Okay, if I find something is easy, is important, I'll do it. The mean and mode of a distribution are 28 and 16. Are 28 and 16. Okay, the median is a dash, is the question asked. The median is a dash, is the question asked. The median is dash, is the question asked. 22. First option is 22. Second option is 23.5. Third option is 24. Third option is 24. And the fourth option is 24.5. And the fourth option is 24.5. Okay. Now if you look at the problem, very simple thing, okay, very simple thing. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬರೆಯುವುದೇ ಹೀಗೆ, ಮೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮೀನ್, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್, ಮೋಡ್. ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೌ. Mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. This is the value. Do you follow? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So mode is equal to 3 into mean. Okay, mean is given in the problem, mode is given in the problem. So 3 times median minus 2 times. So mean is given in the problem as 28, mode is given in the problem as 16. So 16, that is equal to 3 times median minus of 56. 16 plus 56, that is equal to 3 times the median. 72 divided by 3 is equal to the median, students. So what is the answer that we get for the median is equal to 24 is the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number C. You should know this formula, students. You should know this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If you still didn't know this formula, it is coming from statistics. It's important. This you should know. All of you should know this. Okay, you should know this. Next question. You go on writing. Next question. Secant to the power 4a. Next question. Secant to the power 4a minus secant squared a, that is equal to dash. Secant to the power 4a minus secant squared a is equal to dash. First option will be tan to the power 4a, tan to the power 4a minus of tan squared a. Okay. Second option will be tan to the power 4a minus tan squared a. Second option will be tan squared a plus tan to the power 4a, tan squared a plus tan to the power 4a. Third option will be tan squared a minus tan to the power 4a, tan squared a minus of tan to the power 4a, and the fourth option will be none of these. Fourth option will be none of these. Is it okay? Yes. Now we'll try to answer this question, students. You see here, what is given in the problem? Secant to the power 4a minus of secant squared a. Correct or not? Secant to the power 4a minus secant squared a. Kottidare. Correct alla? Now can you tell me what can I take out common, students? I can take out secant squared a common. Secant squared a anu common tegidre, what remains here? What remains here? Will be remaining with the secant squared a minus 1. Can you understand? Now we know 1 plus tan squared a, 1 plus tan squared a, that is equal to what is it? That is equal to secant squared a. Is it right? So can you tell me what is secant squared a minus 1 then? What is the value of secant squared a minus 1? It will be secant squared a minus 1 will be equal to tan squared a. So can you tell me what is the answer that we get is equal to secant squared a into what is it? Secant squared a into tan squared a. Most of the students do a mistake here. They mark the answer as none of these. ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ secant ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. Secant squared a can again be written as what is it, students? Secant squared a can be written as 1 plus tan squared a into what is it? Tan squared a. Correct or not? So tell me what is the answer that we get is equal to tan squared a plus tan to the power what is it? 4a will be the required answer to the question, which corresponds to tan squared a plus tan to the power 4a will be the required answer to the question, which corresponds to what answer, students? Option number B. Correct or not? Secant squared a can be written as ulta. Hige secant squared a can be written as 1 plus tan squared a. You should know this. Again ಆಗ್ತದೆ tan squared a ಅನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿ tan squared a into tan squared a will be tan to the power 4a. Is it correct or not? Which corresponds to the option number B. Next, you write section B. Fill in the blanks. Now options won't be given. You have to fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks and complete this. I'll solve some extra questions also in this. Okay. Now we are dealing with the section number B, students. Second section. I hope section A, whatever I've solved, you have understood. Section B. First question. Section B, first question. Okay. If the point if the point C, k comma 4, if the point C k comma 4 divides A2 comma 6, divides A2 comma 6 and B5 comma 1 and B5 comma 1 in the ratio 2:3, in the ratio 2:3, find k, or k is equal to dash. In the ratio 2:3, then k is equal to dash. So this is a fill in the blank question, students. No options are given. You should know this. So what is given in the problem? See here. First you try to visualize what is given in the problem. Idu 2, aida, idu 2, idu 3. Andre point illirtade C. E point C k, 4 illirtade. It will divide this point A2, 6. For this you have to show this problem. Hege madidire anta torisbeku. B5, 1. Is that okay? So this point will be what? X1, Y1. This point will be what? X2, Y2. This point will be what? X, Y. And this point will be, this ratio will be M1:M2. It is by section formula. Is it correct or not? Internal division section formula. So I can say by section formula we know, x, y can be written as M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Is it correct or not? Divided by M1 plus M2. Now what is the value of x, y is equal to, students? K, 4. Is it correct or not? M1 is how much? 2 into x2 plus M2 is nothing but 3 into x1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 will be 2 plus 3. See students, because you are solving this fill in the blank question, you have to just write an answer adadrinda idu puna madi time waste madbekantilla. This implies, tell me, what is the value of k is equal to? K. Idu each madbekantilla, bekadre madi toristene, you will get the answer as 4 only. See here, M1 y2 will be 2 into, what is the value of y2? 2 into 1 plus what is it? 3 into, what is the value of y1? Y1 is nothing but 6 divided by M1 plus M2. So what is the answer that we get? 20 divided by 5 is 4, which implies k value is equal to 2 5s. Idannu idakke match madbeku. Okay, idu idakke match agtade already. Yes or no? 2 5s are 10 plus 6 divided by how much? 5. Are you following? So what is the answer that we get? K is equal to, how much is the answer that we get? Is equal to 16 divided by 5 will be the answer to the question. You have to write the answer as 16 by 5, students. Is it okay? You have to write the answer as 16 divided by 5 is what you have to write. Yes. You have to write the answer as 16 divided by 5. Do you get it? This implies, you have to put one implies sign. Implies andre this means. Okay, like this, you have to put one sign, which implies k value is equal to 10 plus 16 divided by 5. K is equal to 16 by 5 is the answer to the question. Okay, next question. When 2 dice are thrown, write the next question. When 2 dice are thrown, second question in this section B. When 2 dice are thrown, the probability of getting different numbers. When 2 dice are thrown, the probability of getting different numbers. The probability of getting different numbers on the dice. The probability of getting different numbers on the dice. When 2 dice are thrown, the probability of getting different numbers on the dice is dash. The probability of getting different numbers on the dice is dash. Now all of you see here, students, all of you see here. Now when 2 dice are thrown, what will be the sample space? First write the sample space. Easily you will get the answer to the question. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Don't be confused. 1, 5, 1, 6. ಎರಡು dice beside ನಾನು. If you can imagine a ludo dice, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 numbers ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು dice ಅನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And what are the numbers that will come? ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, Okay students, 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ 3 1 3 2 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. Is it okay? 3 5 3 6. Question is asked for different numbers coming on the dice. 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. Yes or no? 4 4 4 5 and 4 6. Similarly, these are the total events which will come up on the dice. 5 1, here 6 1, then 5 2, 6 2, then 5 3, 6 3, then 5 4, 6 4, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, and lastly what is it students? Lastly what is it? If I told you directly you would have not understood. 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Exam alli bariyuvaga sa hige bariri. So can you tell me which implies how many events are there inside this set now? Sample space set, 36 events are there. Can you tell me how many numbers are the same? How many numbers are the same? 1 1 same number, 2 2 same number, 3 3 same number, 4 4 same number, 5 5 same number, 6 6 same number. Correct alla? Adre question is asking you to calculate probability of what numbers students? Probability of different numbers. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 36 ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ probability of different numbers will be what? 36 ರಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಅನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ divided by what is it? Total number of events in the sample space, 36. What is the answer that we get is equal to 30 divided by 36. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. So can you tell me what is the answer that we get here? The answer to the question will be equal to 5 by 6 is the answer to the question. Are you following? The answer to the question will be equal to how much students? 5 by 6 is the answer. I hope everybody can understand this. Sir. Yes. Okay, 5 by 6. That is 30 by 36. What is the answer that we get is equal to 5 by 6 is the answer. Moving on to the next one. Next one. If x is equal to, that is the question number 3, if x is equal to square root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 plus dash 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 ಹೀಗೆ ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹೀಗೆ dash dash dash, where x is a natural number, where x is a natural number is a dash, where x is a natural number is a dash. Okay, question is asking you to calculate the value of x, students. Now everybody see here, x is equal to square root of 6 plus illinda puna ade alla adu, illinda puna ade question alla. So what I'll do, I will write it as plus x, correct or not? Why? Because it is infinite times. What is infinity minus 1? From an ocean full of water, if you take out one bucket of water, will the level of water in the ocean change? No, it won't change. So if you take out 1 square root of 6 and write the remaining as x only, it is still the same. Is that correct or not, students? After this, what we'll do, this is an important question, mark it, squaring on both sides. Aita? Squaring on both sides. What do we get when we square on both sides? We get x square is equal to square root of 6 plus x the whole square. So what will happen? X square is equal to 6 plus x. So x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Take the sum and take the product. Minus 1 and minus 6, which is nothing but minus 3 and plus 2. Is it correct or not? Take the sum and product. Factorization method of solving the polynomials. I mean quadratic equations. X square, split the middle term, minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. That is equal to 0, students. Take these two terms and these two terms. X into x minus 3, x into x minus 3. Plus 2 into x minus 3, that is equal to 0. So tell me, what is the answer that we get? Common in the entire term is x minus 3 into x plus 2, that is equal to 0. Correct or not? So can you tell me what is the answer that we get now? So x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3, correct. X is equal to 3, correct. It's a natural number. Adre x is equal to minus 2, correct alla? Yake? That is not a natural number. Natural number will always begin from 1. Yes or no? So what is the answer that we get? the value of x is equal to how much? Is 3 is the answer to the question. Do you follow? Minus 2 is not a natural number, alla students. Minus 2 is not a natural number. Question kelidilli natural number. So what is the answer that we mark is equal to 3 is the answer to the question. Okay. Next question. This is important. Idu correct agi gothirbekinta questions alla. Don't neglect this. Aida ella correct agi ಮಾಡಿ. All these questions you do correctly, solve correctly. All right. Moving on to the next question. In the figure, write down, fill in the blank question, fourth one. Okay. In the figure, O is the center of this circle. O is the center of this circle. O is the center of this circle. Full stop. The length of OAPB is dash. The length of OAPB is a dash. Figure ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, just ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Figure ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is the center of the circle. Okay, center of the circle O. It is given here like this. This is given as 3.5 centimeter. So this also is given in the problem as 3.5 centimeter. ಈ angle ಅನ್ನು 60 degree ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು A ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು P ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು B ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Do you follow? Now from the figure, if you see correctly, if you see from the figure, if you see, what is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle is equal to how much is it given in the problem? 3.5 centimeter. Theta is given in the problem as how much degree? 60 degree. Correct or not? This OAPB, this is nothing but OAPB. Question is asking you to calculate what? Find the length of OAPB is the question asked. Now, how do you calculate the length of arc? How do you calculate the length of arc? Length of arc APB. Length of the arc APB. Idannu naniga L anta consider ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ students. Length of the arc APB L. That is equal to, what is the formula that we get? 2 pi r theta divided by how much? 360 degree. So this is 2 into, when nothing is told about pi, it is 22 by 7 into what is it? 3.5 into 60 degree divided by what? Divided by 360 degree. So tell me, 7 ones are 7, how much are 0.5 are 0.5 into 2 is 1. So 1 into 22 is 22 divided by how much is it? 22 divided by 60 ones are 66 are. So what is the answer that we get? 11 divided by 3. So what is the answer that we get is equal to 3.67. Is it correct or not? 3.666. Adu 3.67 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So now question is asking you to calculate what is the length of OAPB. So what will be the length of OAPB? Tell me, what is the length of OAPB? Length andre, basically the question is asking for perimeter. So you have to add OA also plus L plus what is it? OB. So tell me, what is the answer that we get? 3.5 plus 3.67 plus 3.5. So what is the answer that we get? 3.5 plus 3.5 is 10 point, what is the answer? 67 centimeter is the answer to the question. Very important question. 10.67 centimeter is the answer to the question. The length of OAPB is equal to how much is the answer, students? 10.67 centimeter is the answer to the question. Okay, the length of OAPB is the question asked, right? Yeah, 10.67 is the answer to the question. Okay, next one. Next question. For the AP, the question is asking from arithmetic progression. For the AP, 2, 7, 12, 17 for the AP, for the arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12, 17, dash, 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 dash. The value of A30 minus A20 is equal to dash. Okay, the value of A30 minus A20 is equal to dash. Now you see here what is given in the problem. Given in the problem an arithmetic progression. Is it correct or not? Given in the problem an arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12, 17, dash, 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 dash. So tell me, what is the value of A is equal to 2? AP and the the common difference will be 7 minus 2. That we already know, 5. Yes or no? Now tell me, what is the formula for AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D? So what is the value of A30 is equal to A is how much? 2 plus 30 minus 1 times D. D is how much? 5. So 2 plus 29 into 5. So what is the answer that we get? 5 nines are 45, 4. 5 twos are 10, 14. So what is the answer that we get here is equal to 147. Is it correct or not? So similarly, can you tell me what's the value of A20? What is the value of A20? A plus 20 minus 1 times D. 20 minus 1 times D. So A plus 20 minus 1 times D. A is how much? A is 2 plus 19 into, what is the value of D is equal to, students? D is equal to how much? D is equal to 5. So what is the answer that we get? 19 plus 95. Correct or not? What is the answer? 97. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the value of A30 minus A20. A30 minus A20 will be equal to 147 minus of how much? 97. So what will be the answer that we get? 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is the answer that we get here? 830 minus A20 will be equal to 50 will be the answer to the question. Are you following? Yes, students. This much for today. The remaining we will continue in the next class. We will continue the same paper's discussion in the next class. So till then, all of you keep studying. Have a nice day. Thank you.